Nuralīev of Uzbekistan. But the gold medal goes to Nuralīe Emomalii of Tajikistan.
Good performance from him. Nice little change of direction and sticky foot Koji just about manages to hold it. Look at that foot there. Had control of that back, didn't he, right to the very end, and the hand came off, but he'd already landed on his back, actually.
And now the national anthem of Tajikistan. What a moment for Nuralīe Emomalii, gold medal winner at the Tashkent Grand Slam. Joined on the podium by Kaya and Tillolov, who were the bronze medal winners. It was Nuralīev who picked up the silver. That's as big as a chair as we've heard today, even for the Uzbeks. But mind you, it was a gold medal winning performance. So.
Was indeed.
Happy days.